Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 baby changing station. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. ECR 4 Kids Horizontal Diaper Changing Station. Wall-mounted, white granite. Color, white granite. Brand, ECR 4 Kids. Size, 35.5-inch LX4 WX19H. Item depth, 4 inches. Wall-mounted changing station, horizontal fold-down changing table designed for use with infants and toddlers, ideal for commercial restrooms, institutional facilities, public places, and malls. Optimized for safety, wall-mounted changer features concave changing table with an adjustable safety strap and buckle, 2 diaper bag hooks and 2 built-in liner dispensers, liners sold separately. Professional installation, hardware is not included due to a variety of installation options. A qualified professional must evaluate the space and provide the appropriate hardware to ensure compliance. Certified safe, GRNGORD, Gold, certified for low VOCs, meets ASTM standards, and ADA compliant when properly installed by a professional, raised edges on all sides for safety and security. Product dimensions, measures 35. 5L x 4W x 19H closed, 35.5L x 19W x 19H open, holds children up to 50 pounds, hook can hold up to 25 pounds, adult active engaged and direct supervision required. Number 2. Koala Care Surface Mounted Horizontal Baby Changing Station. With stainless steel veneer. Model KB300-01SS. Superior strength and durability, this premium baby changing station is crafted with an internal steel frame and durable polypropylene plastic, ensuring longevity and resilience in high-traffic areas. Hygienic and safe, features microband product protection to reduce odor. Child protection straps and a concealed pneumatic cylinder for smooth, controlled opening and closing for added safety during use. Complements modern restroom design and decor. Stainless steel veneer with gray or white granite plastic body is a design upgrade that will give your restroom a more glamorous look. User-friendly convenience, equipped with dispensers for easy access to sanitary liners and diaper disposal sacks. As well as a stainless bag hook that mounts on wall next to station for safe and easy access to diaper bags and purses. Koala Care Promise. Since 1986, the Koala brand has been a promise of thoughtful accommodation to families. Number 3. ECR 4 Kids Horizontal Wall-Mounted Changing Station. With slim back, baby changer, white granite. Color, white granite. Brand, ECR 4 Kids. Size, 35.25-inch LX4 WX20.5H. Item depth, 4 inches. Wall-mounted changing station, horizontal fold-down changing table designed for use with infants and toddlers, ideal for commercial restrooms, institutions, public places, and malls. Optimized safety, slim design features a comfortable resting nook for your little one while being changed, contains edges to moderate movement, hooks keep your belongings off the floor and clean. Professional installation, hardware is not included due to a variety of installation options. A qualified professional must evaluate the space and hardware to ensure compliance. Certified safe, baby changing station is ULGRNGUARD Gold certified for low VOCs, meets ASTM standards, and ADA compliant when properly installed by a professional. Product dimensions, baby changer measures 35.25-inch WX4 DX20. 5-inch H closed and 35.25 WX20 DX20.5H open, adult active engaged and direct supervision required. Number 4. AIKE Commercial Horizontal Baby Changing Station. Wall-mounted foldable baby diaper changing table ADA compliant, grayish-white. Brand, AIKE. Product dimensions, 22.83-inch DX 33.86 WX 19.68H. Maximum weight recommendation, 5 × 10 to the power of 1 kilograms. Color, grayish-white. Product care instructions, wipe with dry cloth, wipe with damp cloth. Item weight, 10.5 kilograms. Frame, material. Enhanced security, deepen concave table and guardrail with adjustable safety straps ensuring your baby stays securely in place during diaper. Foldable wall-mounted changing table, features convenient hooks on both sides and an integrated storage shelf, provides easy access to diapers, wipes, and other essential items. Everything you need is within arm's reach. Routine maintenance a breeze, constructed from high-density polyethylene, HDPE, withstand frequent use and deliver long-lasting performance. Its smooth, seamless surface is easy to clean and sanitize. Product dimensions, 33.9 W x 22.8 H x 4. 1D closed and 33.9 W x 22.8 W x 19.7 H open, designed for infants and toddlers weighing less than 45 pounds, 20 kilograms. Professionalism and dedication, AIKE provides reliable complete commercial bathroom solutions, ensuring safety and sustainable value for you and your guests. Number 5. Baby Changing Table. Versatile folding changing table, waterproof diaper changing station, adjustable height with 2 drawers, baby changing station, mobile nursery for infant and newborn. Baby changing table. Material, baby changing table is constructed with a high-quality metal frame and durable fabric materials, coupled with a waterproof changing pad, ensuring sturdiness and ease of cleaning. Soft plush toy attachments offer happy and comfortable entertainment for babies. Changing table dresser meets all quality requirements. This portable changing table for baby, with its great changing table design, serves as a versatile changing table portable for families with infants. Function, changing table features guardrails and a safety strap to ensure stability while changing diapers. For lockable wheels prevent accidental movement, ensuring the diaper changing station stability during use. Its adjustable height offers 3 levels, suiting parents of varying heights. The diaper changing table with wheels is practical as a rolling changing table and doubles as a mobile changing table for convenience in any room. Storage space, portable changing table boasts spacious storage options. Equipped with bilateral side storage, this unit offers 2-tiered storage and 2 foldable drawers. Baby changing table features removable storage compartments in the front and back, perfect for hanging baby clothes. This foldable changing table for baby is also a changing station that adapts to small spaces and supports organized parenting. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.